last lecture, we saw the difference between public program and private program. Now on the screen, you can see 5 steps to manage a HackerOne bug bounty program. The first one is to search for vulnerabilities. Hacker searches for vulnerabilities in the provided system or services. The next step is submit the vulnerabilities to the organization in the form of a report. Third step is organization communicates back to a bug bounty hunter if they find the reports good. Fourth one is once they establish a relationship between hacker and the company, the organization validates the submission and checks with their internal security team whether this vulnerability is existing or not. And the last one is if the vulnerability is existing and if it is a good of priority and if it is going to cause a great impact on a company, then the hacker will get rewarded with the reports. Now what is exactly HackerOne? More than 140,000 security vulnerabilities, and they are still counting, have been eliminated with the help from hackers on HackerOne. HackerOne is a bug bounty platform where various organizations host their bug bounty programs and hackers connect to the organizations through this platform. So the HackerOne platform acts as a bridge between the bug bounty hunters and the organizations. The HackerOne Top 10 Most Impactful and Rewarded Vulnerability Types is an interactive site allowing you to explore bounty award levels. You can just go on the internet and type HackerOne and you will get to know entire thing about HackerOne. HackerOne Bug Bounty Program provides a managed, turnkey and bounty program with all the flexibility, expertise and resources needed to integrate bug bounties into the security apparatus. HackerOne's experts work with the organizations to design, manage and support your program from end to end, ensuring a smooth launch and seamless integration into your security efforts. For those new to bug bounty, this is a great entry point. For those experienced, it's a fast way to support the training, payments, hacker vetting, report tracking, compliance and other considerations. Now when the same internal teams are testing on applications for a long time, they lose the fresh eye and therefore hackers are used to find that spot which is often missed by the internal security team. In the next lecture, I will be explaining why you will be hired by most of the organizations or why bug bounty is important and why you should try going into this field. Now before moving ahead with the lecture, I would like to tell you that after learning this course, you will have a great knowledge, a sound knowledge of bug bounty and ethical hacking. But that does not mean that only this course is going to help you. We have an ethical hacking, computer networking and cybersecurity course as well. I recommend you to take those courses because more than 90,000 students have enrolled in our course, and our statistics team has been telling us that in the next couple of years we will be crossing more than 2 lakh students, and that is why we have also been provided YouTube links to our videos where we publish videos every week regarding the careers in cybersecurity, then ethical hacking career path, and various resources like ebooks are also being provided in the resources section of this lecture. So whenever you complete a lecture, please do not forget to check the resources section, as there might be an ebook available for you which you have to read after completing this course. And finally, I would like to end this lecture by saying that you have to constantly upgrade yourself each and every day. Okay, you can't just rely on one single source. You have to read books, blogs, articles. Keep practicing all the techniques that we will be teaching you throughout this course. The next lecture is going to be the most important lecture for you, and you will realize why bug bounty is important.